Scorpio, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Scorpio. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for the month of August. Scorpio. 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 The Star. Scorpio. Messages, energies for Scorpio, please. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Do what you think is right, Scorpio, para sa inyo. For August, you will be receiving answers, okay? Meron kayong titingnan, merong introspection na mangyayari in your situation, okay? Magkakaroon ba ng give and take in the situation? Yeah. You are on the right path when it comes sa career or sa personal life ninyo, sa trabaho, sa ginagawa ninyo, okay? This is meant to be, okay? You are guided by this spiritually, kung anuman ang nangyayari ngayon sa inyong sitwasyon. Scorpio, okay? Yeah. You will receive enlightenment, okay? Yeah. Someone will be giving you time and attention, will be being fair to you, Scorpio, okay? You feel good about this, pero pinag-iisipan mo pa, okay? You are seeking truth about the situation, okay? Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, you are not that hopeful anymore in this situation about the give and take relationship, okay? If you're dealing or if you have concerns about relationships, okay? Yeah. You need to be hopeful, Scorpio, and look forward for some exciting events or pangyayari sa buhay mo. Be excited, okay? Plan for the future, something exciting. Yung iba sa inyo, may tatahakin kayo na new endeavor, okay? And this is the right thing for you to do. For some of you, you have issues or concerns about legalities or sa mga courthouse, okay, or lawsuits. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you are learning some truth, finding facts. Okay? Okay. For some of you, you are dealing with legalities. Okay? Law. Tingnan natin. Yeah. Yeah, you are very focused. For some of you, you are very focused sa future mo. Okay? Sa mga magagandang mangyayari. Okay? Yes. Yung attention mo is focused on your work. Sa future mo. Okay? You will find enlightenment in your situation. Kung meron mang hindi fair na nangyayari in the past or sa situation mo ngayon, okay, you are, parang may natutunan ka na kung ano yung totoong nangyari and ngayon pinag-iisipan mo. Parang hindi ka binibigyan ng attention or ng time. A certain person is being unfair to you. Okay? Scorpio. Tingnan natin, the star. You are healing in your situation, okay? You are healing. And you are guided spiritually. You have a guiding star na nagli-lead you towards enlightenment about future, exciting future, okay? Yeah. Yung iba, merong pag-aayos na nangyayari in the situation. You are receiving attention and time. Okay? But you need more time para sa sarili mo. Okay? That is for some of you, Scorpio. Star. 10 of Cups, yes. Happiness, fulfillments, happy times with your family. Okay. Yeah. Kung ano yung mga pangangailangan mo, okay? Material things, wealth. Okay. Nandiyan, okay, available para sa'yo. You are enjoying it, okay? Merong emotional contentment within you. Yeah. Okay? But you will be receiving some truth in the situation. Yeah. You will find some truth, Scorpio, about a relationship, about a situation na naguguluhan ka before, okay? King of Pentacles, yeah. You are focusing on your work at the same time, okay? You will be receiving money, which is more than enough, okay? You are, yeah. Wealth, success, okay? Kung meron man, yung iba sa inyo may mga offers na mga opportunities, accept it confidently, okay? You will be successful in that area, okay? Or sa opportunity na yan. Ten of Wands, yes. Magkakaroon ng enlightenment ang situation mo. Magkakaroon ng kasagutan. Kung nahihirapan ka man sa sitwasyon mo or stress ka, marami kang task or obligations, you will find answers. Okay? Merong enlightenment for you in the month of August, Scorpio, in your situation. Yes. You will be receiving, okay, money, gifts, okay, yeah. You will be able to pay some loans. You will have more than enough, okay? Yes, you are working towards it. Nagkakaroon na ngayon ng balanse ang inyong finances. Yes, and for some of you, you are being wise. You are thinking about investment to grow your money. So, keep improving, Scorpio, okay? Meron kang bagong pagkakaabalahan. You need to find more ways to improve it at the same time. Sa trabaho mo man to, okay? Sa mga projects mo na ginagawa. Yeah. You need to improve also in your creativity, special projects, creative projects, okay? You're thinking of other ways, how to improve further, how to grow your money, how to grow your business for some of you. Yeah. For some of you, you are planning for expansion. Yes. And you are looking forward na mag-i-increase ang inyong money or kaperahan. You are excited about it. You are looking forward to it. Improvement of your finances. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, madami kayong obligasyon. Okay? Not just for yourself, but to the people around you. Kamag-anak mo, children, partner or husband, work. Okay? For some of you, studies at the same time. Okay? You need to find ways, Scorpio, para maka-move forward ka ng maayos. Okay? Para magkaroon ka ng development in your situation also. Justice. Yeah, the Fool. Yeah. Yeah, you think you are doing the right thing para sa sarili mo, okay? You have all the resources, the capabilities. You yourself is enough in the situation or sa inyong ginagawa. Okay? You are confident. May mga potentials para sa inyo, okay? You are looking forward to it. You think this is the best thing na gagawin mo, okay? Kung ano man ang ginagawa ninyo ngayon. Okay? You are full of confidence in yourself. You are independent. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. For some of you, you will be receiving justice. Kung ano man yung mga hindi maganda nangyari sa inyo, yung mga hindi fair na nangyayari in your situation from the recent past or in your current situation, you will be receiving You will be rewarded, okay? Justice will be given to you, okay? Yeah. Yeah. Magkakaroon ng kasagutan ang mga pinoproblema ninyo, burdens, okay, and responsibilities. Okay, most especially on your finances, magkakaroon ng kaayusan, you will be enlightened. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung messages for you, Scorpio. Yeah. There will be happiness and contentment also for some of you in your relationship. Okay? You will feel fulfilled. Merong pagsasama, family, okay? Yeah, for some of you, kailangan mo pa i-improve ang inyong current na ginagawa. Okay? Para magkaroon ng elevation and increase in your income. Okay? Younger woman, dealings or relationship with a younger woman. Okay, there is some concern or issues about a younger woman. Okay. Lily, spiritual love. Okay. Forest, muddled and clear thinking. So you have to clear your mind, Scorpio. Madami kayong iniisip, okay? Isa-isa lang. Kasi mahirap din kung sabay-sabay natin iniisip, no? Yung sitwasyon, kung ano yung mga kailangan mong gawin. Minsan, nadede-focus ka. Dagger, fear, worries, tense situation. Okay? So, meron kayong mga worries in your situation, maybe in your relationship, or in your finances. At the same time, may mga fears. Okay? Meron kayong mga inaayos ngayon, merong tension sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Most especially in a relationship. Inkpot, problems to be resolved. Okay, yeah. May kailangang ayusin sa inyong sitwasyon ngayon. Some aspects of your life, yes. May kailangan ayusin, may kailangan i-resolve. Rat, someone working against you behind your back. Okay? Merong someone na cannot be trusted or nagtataidor man. Okay? Or sinasabotahe kayo, something like that. Scorpio. Tingnan natin ano pa yung mensahe sa inyo from the Spirit Messages Oracle card for Scorpio, please. Scorpio. It is time to hit the reset button. Clear out the old so that room is available for the new to enter. Trust that better things are coming fast. Prepare to move to the next phase of your life. This is your rebirth. Welcome this beautiful brand new energy. You've got this. Okay? So these are the messages for you, Scorpio. Maraming salamat sa inyo and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!